This tutorial focuses on the control check capability in metrology reporting. Control checks are run on dimensional data to look for abnormalities or trends in the data over a set of samples. We can activate control checks in the Settings dialog box. We can turn them on for new parts, all parts, a subset of filtered parts, or for individual parts. There are 8 control check rules available based on the Nelson rules criteria. We can turn on each rule independently, and each has a pop-up graphic to explain the trend or abnormality that the rule looks for in the data. There is also a setting in the Statistics tab to indicate how many samples to use to calculate standard deviation, which the rules then use in their formula. The default is 20. After the specified number of samples have been measured, the control checks start calculating, and a red control checks alert appears on the tile when at least one rule fails. On the Tiles menu, you can choose Control Checks to see a chart of control check failures with the actual measured data. Each failure is indicated at the bottom of the chart with red dimension labels. Each label shows the rule that is failed by a white number in a red circle. We can click on each of these labels to see the failures one by one. Sometimes it's helpful to dismiss these alerts if we're already aware of the issue and don't want to be notified anymore. We can do this by clicking the arrow on the alert and typing a number of samples to snooze. Snoozed alerts are shown in a ghosted gray color on the tile, with the number of samples remaining to be measured.